Hello everyone, this is Grade 3, Module 7, Lesson 9 homework. Number 1 says, use at least 2 tangram pieces to make and draw each of the following shapes. Draw lines to show where the tangram pieces meet. So we have to make a triangle, and I got 2 of them here that I'm going to use. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this triangle, and I'm going to move it over and kind of push them together like that. And what this will do is it'll give me a bigger triangle. That'll work for that one. For my next one, for square, I'm going to use 2 triangle pieces again. And this time, I'm going to flip my triangle up like that. And I'm going to slide this over, and we'll see we got a square. So now, what I'm going to do is we'll move down, and I'm going to take the square. I need to take these some triangles with me to do this next piece of it. So here we go, and we'll slide down, and I'm going to paste some triangles in here. And now I need to make a parallelogram. So I'm going to rotate one of these the best that I can. And then I want to put another rotation on this. I want to do it kind of like that. And I'll slide this down. It's not going to be perfect, but I'll try to get it the best that I can. So you can see that there we now have a parallelogram. And the very last one that we're going to look at is the trapezoid. And for this one, I'm going to draw it out. The way that I saw it, I could use 3 pieces, and there's ways you can do it with 2. I'll use my square, and then I'm going to use one of those triangles heading off of it like that, and the other triangle coming off of it like that. So a couple different ways to use a parallelogram or the tangram pieces to make your different shapes. Let's take a look at page 2. Now, for this one, we need to use our tangram pieces to set on top of this and create the cap below. So I'm going to draw the lines in where I saw this fit. I had a triangle right here and another small triangle right there, which left my square right here. So for the next part of it, I had my 2 bigger triangles. One was right here, and my other one was right here, which left my mid-sized triangle right there. And then lastly, we saw the parallelogram sat up here as the tail. So that's how I put this together in terms of the cat. The last one says use the 5 smallest tangram pieces to make a square. Sketch your square below and draw lines to show where the tangram pieces met. So the first thing, I'm going to get a square in there. So there's my square, and I had to use some pieces, and I'm going to get you started with this one, but I don't know how much of it I'm going to do. So I used a triangle that came up to right here. That's the first part of it. And then I had a square that came right there, and you're seeing that with my square and my triangle, we created something else right here. And then you had only 2 other pieces left. You had a triangle and you had a parallelogram. And I threw my one triangle right there, which left the parallelogram right there. So this was the triangle, the smaller one, my 2 small triangles. One here, the medium-sized triangle there, my square, and then my parallelogram. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.